Yeah, Kelly, we did get that 8 a.m. advisory, by the way, from the National Hurricane Center. Not a lot of major changes coming in with Tropical Storm Elsa. The storm now winds at 65 miles per hour. It's moving towards the west-northwest at about 13 miles per hour. So not a lot of updates or changes since the 5 a.m. advisory, but a lot has happened over the last 24 hours or so. In fact, just yesterday, we were noticing a forward motion at 30 miles an hour. So now that slowing down has actually helped the center of the storm, the mid-level center of the storm, meet up with the lower level center of the storm. That's why we're seeing still quite the healthy storm here. However, as we start to notice the storm move over Cuba, as Elsa moves over Cuba, then we get into mountainous terrain. And what does that do for tropical entities? Ultimately, that can bring in some shear and eat away at the flow or the circulation about Elsa. As we continue to look at this, the visible satellite here with Elsa, I'm noticing a bit more convection on the southwestern side and on the western side of the storm. So perhaps that also lending itself to a strengthening storm. But overall, we're not expecting it to strengthen much farther than where it's at right now with 65 mile per hour winds. We do have hurricane watches, though, posted for eastern portions of Cuba. Towards the north and west, we actually have tropical storm watches posted, too. So over time, we'll notice those watches turning to warnings. And for some of the zones, say for you in South Florida, if you're not under a tropical storm watch right now, it's very likely you'll be, especially in southwestern Florida, it's likely you'll be under a tropical storm watch, if not by the midday hours, by tonight, and certainly into tomorrow morning. Kelly?